Fans, let's go for today's daily cipher. The word for today is airdrop. So we'll start by imputing the Morse code for airdrop, and we're going to start with letter A first. A, we go with dot slash, as you can see. Then we go with I dot followed by R. R is dot slash dot. Have you seen it? Then followed by D. D is slash dot. R again, dot slash dot. Then followed by O, slash slash. Then followed by P. I think P should be the last alphabet, which is dot slash dot. As you can see, I've taken my prize. That's it for today.